Welcome back. The big story that we're tracking this morning is from Assam. The Chief Minister there has said that a serious national security probe is currently underway, a probe that has put the Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi under intense political and security scrutiny. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's been tracking all the details. Kritika, right now, the press conference is underway. The Chief Minister of Assam is exposing Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi. Take us through the details and the claims that is coming from the Assam Chief Minister.
Well, yes, Akansha, from long we are, in fact, seeing updates in this case. Remember, this is, in fact, the Assam Chief Minister accusing Gaurav Gogoi and his wife of having alleged links with Pakistan's spy agency, ISI. Now, today in the press conference, the big claims that Himanta Biswa Sharma is making is in order to, in fact, expose the direct links. He's now claimed that accused number one, as per the SIT that was formed under him, which is in fact to investigate a matter of national importance, in his words, has found Ali Tauqir Sheikh as accused number one. He happens to be a Pakistani person of influence, also was leading Lead Pakistan, which now Himanta Biswa Sharma is saying had directly put Elizabeth, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi's wife, on the payroll. He's also claimed that Ali Tauqir Sheikh had accessed entry into India about 13 times under UPA when former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was in power, and that since the time Prime Minister Modi has come to power, all of his visits have stopped. He's also now gone on to say that while Elizabeth was working in India, she was directly reporting to the Pakistan office and directly reporting to Ali Tauqir Sheikh. Has also made very surprising allegations, the biggest of them being how she has been in fact, reverting IB reports as well to Pakistan. IB reports along the sides of climate action plans as well, and has spoken to Ali Tauqir Sheikh about having a low risk and low visibility plan as far as the entire work relationship between Ali Tauqir Sheikh and Elizabeth is confirmed. Now, these allegations quite big. In fact, multiple times Himanta Biswa Sharma has said that both Gaurav Gogoi as well as Elizabeth should be investigated as a matter of national security, and any political fallout that happens because of it is something that is not their priority or not their prerogative. The only reason why this is being investigated is because of it being a matter of national importance. And now this report that Himanta Biswa Sharma is making public will also be transferred to the Home Affairs. Over to you.
Absolutely, because time and again Himanta Biswa Sharma has said that there are links, Pakistani links of Gaurav Gogoi, but now he has laid out in public the SIT report and also said that the matter has been handed over to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Thank you so much, Kritika, for getting us all those details.